start packing for our trip to Paris. We are going on a school's trip to Paris for 1 week and we are traveling tomorrow morning. And we have not started packing yet, so that's what we're going to do today. Right now I am sitting beside the very full suitcase. It does look more full than it is because I just thrown everything in here. But now I'm going to roll up some of my clothing into these packing cubes to save some space and just to get some organization, because me and Fernand are going to share a suitcase. So we're going to have our clothes in this, and then we have a smaller suitcase that we're going to have toiletries and yeah, other stuff like that. Right now we just arrived back home. We went out to the store just to buy a few things for dinner. So we are going to eat some taco now. We're still packing. It's currently 5 p.m. We're just going to eat some dinner and continue packing. We are also going to bed very early today because we have to be up bright and early tomorrow. We just finished packing both suitcases and now we have to pack our hand luggage and everything we're going to bring into the plane. But I am very excited about the fact that we managed to fit everything into these 2 bags, because honestly I didn't think we would. Alright, I have just taken a shower and did some small braids in my hair just to get the hair out of the way, and we have lined up our suitcases with our bags on top, and also I've hanged up my outfit for tomorrow, and here we have Fernand's outfit for tomorrow. So it's currently 8 p.m. and we are going to eat a little bit more of our dinner, so we go to bed not feeling so hungry, and then it's an early wake up tomorrow. I think we're leaving at around 6, so yeah, that's very exciting. I am terrified of flying. So yeah, I'm having a bit of anxiety about that, but I'm just crossing my fingers that everything's going fine and that it's going to be a great trip. So I've just gotten into bed and it's a little bit over 11 p.m. We are waking up very early, so I hope that I fall asleep fast and that I get a few hours of good sleep, so I am rested for the journey tomorrow. Good morning, guys. We have just woken up and we are very soon going to get dressed and leave for the airport. I did manage to get some hours of sleep, but not as many as I hoped to, because I could just not fall asleep last night. So I think I got about 3 or 4 hours of sleep. Hopefully I can maybe sleep a little bit on the airplane if I'm tired. Okay, we're off to Paris. Oh my god. How excited are you? From 1 to 10?
Tired.
Tired. Yeah, I can relate to that one. But let's go. We have made it to the train station. It's a little bit under 10 minutes until the train is supposed to leave. So we're just waiting out here in the cold. It's like super cold outside right now. So I am very excited to get to Paris, where it's a little bit warmer. Even though it's cold there as well, it's not as cold as here. But we are now going to take the train down to Oslo Central Station, and then we are taking the flight train. Okay, so we did have way too much in our luggage, and we have to send my purse as a checked-in item. So, yeah. Okay, so we had to put my makeup bag into my purse, and it was too light to send in the normal check-in bag drawer. So we have to go to oversized luggage and send it here. We made it into the international side of the airport, and right now we're on the tax-free, just wandering around. We are going to meet up with our classmates that are coming here in a little bit, so that's going to be fun. We are currently sitting at our gate. My anxiety is through the roof, so I'm just trying to stay calm. But it's very nice weather outside, the sun is coming out, and I hope that helps. Yeah, and I'll just update you when we get on the plane. Just landed in Paris. We are currently on the airport. We landed here in Paris. This is insane. I am so overwhelmed. Okay, so I feel like I can't even speak. Okay, so the plane ride went very well. I had a bit of anxiety, especially in the first half of the flight. But the flight attendants were so nice and kind to me, and they were reassuring me that there was no turbulence that they knew of, and yeah, the plane ride was very good. I am just in shock because we have never been to like a big city like this. We've only gone to small vacation places, so this is going to be very fun. Already just looking at the small shops here in the airport and everything, I'm super excited. We are waiting in line to go into the Dior museum, and it's pouring rain outside.
So we're in Paris. Okay, it's an amazing day.
I like the view.
We're gonna go on a hike today. We're gonna go on a 3-hour walk. It's gonna be amazing. And we're gonna be broke. Yeah.
Hello everyone, and welcome to day 2 of being in Paris. It's our first full day here, and today we are going to do some sightseeing. we are going to some places. I don't remember the names, but when I do, I'm gonna tell you. And we've just gotten dressed and are just waiting for everyone to get ready, and then we're gonna head out. So right now we are at this souvenir shop, and we just went into Starbucks and we bought the pistachio latte, and it was amazing. It's so creamy and so good. I just bought this bracelet, and it has the Eiffel Tower on it, and it's pink. It was so cute, and it only was €3.50. We are now going to Sunniva, and from there we're going to see the Eiffel Tower, and I wanted to show you guys my raw first reaction. So I'm just going to film when I get there. Oh my gosh. We are now at the sea. We have just ordered 2 small things to eat for a little snack, and I'm very excited to try it out. We just got our little snack, so it's the chicken tender in bread with cheese.
Hell yeah.
Amazing.
Are you happy to be in Paris?
We.
We have just been at Triomphe, and it was amazing. We have been to like 4 or 5 big attractions today. The plan was only to go to one of them, I think, but me and Panchama decided to go by ourselves. We have gotten over 20,000 steps in. Hello guys, it's a lot later now. We are going to take the metro to go somewhere to take some drinks. Other than that, we have just been at the apartment. We have just ate some food and relaxed a bit. So now we're going to the metro, and I think we're going a little bit more central to try and find some bars with some good prices and some good drinks. Right now we are at Premier Vision, and we are here with our entire class and 2 of our teachers. But it's kind of, in here you don't really go around and film a lot, and if you want to take photos you kind of have to ask. So I'm not able to vlog as much in here, just for the privacy of the brands and everything. But yeah, we're here now and going to be here for a few hours, and I'll update you if something new happens. Right now we are walking to Louvre. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it's a museum, and we have booked tickets for 10 o'clock. and we are going down to see the Eiffel Tower when it's sparkling. We have just been at KFC and bought some food for the night. Tomorrow morning we are going to visit the ESMOD school here in Paris. And we're going to meet there at 9 o'clock. So we're taking an early night now and going to sleep. Today we have been to the International ESMOD school here in Paris, and right now the weather is amazing. There's not a single cloud on the sky, and we are going on a little Valentine's kind of date. We're going to go in some shops, and then we're going to a cafe later and getting something to eat. And I think today's going to be a lovely day. So now we are going to Lafayette, which is a shopping center that is very beautiful. Just was at the store and then went home, but then we forgot something. We forgot to buy water, and then we got some snacks. And now we're going back home. This evening we are going out with all our friends to a club. So we're going to start pre-gaming in an hour or two, and then we're going out tonight. So that's going to be exciting. Today, as every other day, we have done so much and walked so far. We have like 25 to 30,000 steps every day, which is insane. So we are constantly a little bit tired, but now we're going to chill at the apartment and get ready to go out.